Okay, so now we'll be talking about the different SQL queries. Okay, so what I've done is I've I've dropped to the table and I've added score as an integer, favorite animal as text, and I've added some different values so we can actually do the queries. Okay, so first of all, we'll be using the alias. Okay, so to do this, we'll change the student ID to something else. So select student ID as, and then in single colons you can write anything. I'll just write test. From students, the name of the table. Okay, let's run that. Select student as test. As you can see, it's brought up the student ID, but as test, and as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then all that. Okay, so that's working, and now we'll be going over the like command. All right, so for this we'll select the first name, and then the table that we're going to select it from, students, and now where, use the where clause, where, and then the column that we selected here. So select first name from the table, where first name, like, and then in colons. So let's see what the names are. So okay, so let's do MOH and then percentage sign. So what this does, sorry, is anything that starts with MOH. So that should bring up that should only bring up my name, because that's the only one that starts with MOH. Okay, let's run this. Yep, it's only brought up my name, so that's working. Okay, and there's various different ones. Like for example, if I do this, then it's basically doing the opposite. Anything that ends with MOH. So let me just show you this. It's brought up nothing. But if I did AN for Nathan, so anything that ends with AN. Boom. Oh, actually, yeah, that brings up a lot more. I should have probably used this example. So that brings up Nathan, Hassan, and Ryan. That was a better example. Okay, so that's the like, and you can do other things like if I put in this, it'll look for AN in any position. Okay, so the next thing we'll be talking about is the between. Okay, let's see what numbers we have. Okay, so score. Okay, so this is like we're basically gonna see select. Basically gonna see which students have a number between 90 and 100. Yeah. So what we do for this is select. Just gonna select everything from students. We use the where clause again as we did before. Where score between, let's do 91 and 100. So let's see, this should bring up 1, 2, 3. This should bring up 3 people. Select everything from students. Oh, let me just get rid of that. Yep, brings us 3 people. Everyone that's got a score between 91 and 100. So that's working perfectly fine. Next, we'll be looking at the AND query. Now feel free to just stop and go over things. I do feel like I'm going through everything quite quick, but yeah, you can go over it or just look at the web pages. That's got a text tutorial. Okay, so the AND for this we're gonna be we can pick the favorite animal and a score again. Okay, so we'll just select everything again. Select everything from students. Where favorite animal animal equals, let's see what animals, dog, cat, dog, equal to lion, is equal to a lion, and score, let's do greater than, let's do 91 again. Okay. Alright, so it's going to select everything from students where the favorite animal is equal to lion and score is greater than 91. Greater than 91. So this should bring up no one basically. This should bring up no one. We'll just try if it works. Yeah, it brings up no one. But if I change this to 90, it'll bring up one person. And we can also change this to dog. And this this will bring up a lot more people. Yep, 2 people. So yeah, feel free to just play with this. I mean, you can select different scores, different animals and stuff like that. Okay, let's see what's next. Next we'll be talking about OR. It's pretty similar, I guess. So for this, again, select everything from students where the favorite animal is equal to dog in colons, or the fat animal is equal to lion. So it's pretty similar, but what this does is it just selects the value in the same table. Let's run this. Okay, that's good. So yeah, it's brought up all the students that either have a favorite animal who's a dog or a lion, which is 1, 2, 3, 5. So there must be one that, yeah. So there's one, Hassan Patel, whose favorite animal is a cat. So that seems to be working fine. Okay, so the final thing we're going to be doing is just using the order by. For this, you can order these results by either ascending or descending. Like right now, it's just using the student ID, but for this we can pick by which column and whether you want to do it ascending or descending. So select everything, you probably know this by now, from students, from the students table, order by, and let's see, order by last name, and then this is gonna bring everything up in ascending order. Okay, so A, Assam, and then that's in alphabetical order. Now if you do in descending order, that should bring up at Ryan Riley first. As you can see, it's all working. So that's everything that I went over. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, as I mentioned before, just feel free to go to the chat room, leave a message there, and I'll be sure to reply in a quick amount of time, usually around 4 or 5 hours. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I hope it helped you.